Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Monica, student of Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering from the Department of Information Science and Engineering, first semester HS section. Today I am going to discuss about the subject called Introduction to Mechanical Engineering, about the topic called Emerging Trends and Technologies in Mechanical Engineering. The contents present in this topic are Introduction to Mechanical Engineering, Emerging Trends and Technologies in Energy Sector, Manufacturing Sector, Automotive Sector, Aerospace Sector and Marine Sector. Introduction to Mechanical Engineering. Mechanical engineering is one of the basic technology and its fundamental principles are used in the design, development and construction of nearly all the physical devices and systems we see around us, including automobiles, machines in all kinds of factories, machinery used in building construction and agriculture, etc. Mechanical engineers are involved with the design, construction and operations of all kinds of machinery. They conceptualize design for any product to be manufactured. They also develop, test and fabricate the state-of-art the machinery. Energy sector. The following are considered as emerging trends and technologies present in energy sector. Renewables. Using renewable energy helps to preserve the environment as it produces minimal or zero amount of harmful emissions. The basic principle of using renewables is to extract it from a constant source in the environment like the sun, the wind or through geothermal sources. Internet of Energy. Internet of Energy is a technological term that refers to upgrading and automating of electricity infrastructures for energy producers and manufacturers. Energy sector. Energy storage enables stable pricing by proactively managing demand from consumers. By having opportunity to purchase energy for future use, consumers potentially stock it up during ideal conditions. Emerging trends and technologies in manufacturing sector. Accessible automation. Automation in the manufacturing world is not entirely new, but widespread adoption of practice is new. New technologies have made automation more accessible to more manufacturers and are changing the way our companies operate. Mobile robotics. One of the primary drivers of this manufacturing trend is autonomous mobile robotics, AMRs, new robotics technologies in making automation attainable for companies of all sizes. Emerging trends and technologies in automotive sector. Autonomous vehicles. Autonomous vehicles are also called as self-driving vehicles. It aims to minimize the need of human drivers and look poised to transform everyday transportation. Electrification. The depleting fossil fuel reserves and the harmful to the environment caused by their use call for promoting the use of electrical vehicles. Shared mobility. With connected vehicles, new business models have come up that focus on shared mobility as an alternative to traditional vehicle ownership. Emerging trends and technologies in aerospace sector. Advanced materials. Innovative materials can be used in wide variety of areas from lighter, more agile aircraft and emerging hypersonic systems to personal protection equipment and anywhere risks or damage can be reduced. Additive manufacturing. Additive manufacturing is also called as 3D printing that utilize significantly less material than other comparable traditionally manufactured parts. Marine sector. Digital route management of ships. However, ships can often have journeys lasting several months and it is not feasible to accurately predict conditions in advance. Real-time routes management can play a major role in improving the journey duration and efficiency. Smart autonomous control. On land, self-driving cars use autonomous technology to make decisions based on the route they traverse that include detecting pedestrians, other cars and traffic signals as well as remaining on the road without losing control. If this video seems to be helpful for your studies, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.